about rights and duties. Dinesh Jotwani, I must come to you for the legal aspects of it, because now there are different suits which are going up to the courts. One of them says that you must ban his film from releasing in Karnataka. He himself has said, I don't have any intention of releasing it unless there is a dialogue. Thug Life may be skipping Karnataka. But should the courts be stepping in about whether or not a film should be banned in a certain state?
See, Meghna, you're right. I mean, the courts were invoked jurisdiction about whether protection should be given when the film is released in Karnataka. It was not about banning it or releasing it. That is not the role. That was not the case before the High Court at all. This role is to be done by the censorship board, if at all there is anything objectionable in the movie right now. But at present, the only thing that the court had to decide whether to give a police protection or not, whether there is a law and order problem or not.
Right.
But I think what Justice Naga Prasanna, who had given these orders and made those observations, he wanted to say that there is law and order problem caused because of your statement, and now you are seeking a protection.
Right.
You know, even, I mean, two wrong, even if presuming it is wrong, two wrongs don't make, one right. So basically, what I would say that the court does not have, and it is not ruling on whether the film should be released or not released. The court only has to see whether there is a law and order problem or not. As far as the freedom of expression is concerned, there is Article 19(2) of Indian Constitution, which gives you right to express. What the senior actor has said is, he's basically said that, look, what I wanted to say, that all the languages are family. There is a mother and child kind of a relationship, which is a very strong relationship between two languages. This is how he wants to defend it.
Right.
But at the same point of time, if there are some agitations or some in Karnataka, so I think the Honorable Court should have actually ordered with respect to whether they need a protection or not.
Okay, that's very interesting, because now it's been adjourned and that matter is also in abeyance. And Avantika Shetty, and I'm going to come to you. It's not just people in Karnataka, it's not just specific groups. Legal troubles are now mounting because it is the High Court itself, Avantika, which has said that this is your ego talking.
It's very unfortunate that, everything boils down to banning somebody or banning somebody's film. Exactly. There has to be dialogue, right? When you decide for yourself, the other person decides for himself, then there is no communication in between. Then what's the point?
But should there be any curbs in the right? You have the right of speech. You don't have the right to
Exactly. Right now when I'm talking, earlier I would mince my words and think, oh, should I be right? Will it be taken in a wrong way? Then what's the point of me coming and sitting in front of you and saying whatever I feel? Because everything will be scrutinized. He rightly, like Mr. Dinesh said, he has a freedom of expression. And like he said, the relationship between languages, mother becomes more important and the child becomes less important. Is it the thing that we're trying to say here? No, right? We are family. We are Indians first. Why do we forget this?
Indians first. It's very interesting. You have Kanni Moi, who just yesterday, of the DMK, of course, has come out and said the national language of India is unity. But look at the language war.